welcome all of you to another session of present lecture session for online lecture series of advances in inventory management and supply chain, inventory control and supply chain management. And I especially welcome to Dr. Umakant Mishra, who is today's speaker. So I am going to introduce him. Sir has received his PhD degree in mathematics in 2013, MPhil in mathematics in 2007 from PG Department of Mathematics, Sambalpur University, Odisha. Presently, he is working as an assistant professor of mathematics at VIT University, Vellore. He has worked as postdoctoral fellow in Department of Business Administration, School of Business, Sosho University, Taipei, Taiwan. He worked as postdoctoral research fellow in Université de Monterrey, Mexico. He selected for SNI, Mexico in year 2018. He has worked as associate professor in Department of Faculty of Science and Technology, ICFAI University, Tripura. His research areas include primarily related to inventory management, supply chain management, and current research areas are sustainable supply, renewable energy, and optimization. He has published more than 35 research papers like in Journal of Cleaner Production, Energies, Arabian Journal of Science and Engineering, Annals of Operations Research, Mathematical Problem in Engineering, and he has attained invited speaker at Berhampur University, Odisha. He has also served reviewer for reputed journals like Annals of Operations Research, Applied Mathematical Modeling, RIRO Operations Research, Computer and Industrial Engineering, Applied Energy, Computer in Industry, Journal of Cleaner Production, and many more. And he has visited for research in several countries like USA, Netherlands, Thailand, New Zealand, and Malaysia. So I welcome you, Umakant Mishra sir, and now you can start your lecture
Thank
and
you.
share the screen.
Thank you, Himanidem, for introducing me. Now I'll present my topic. Where is that? Okay. I'm not ready. No. Everything you got my slide? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it is visible.
Hello. Yes. So my topic is the optimum sustainable inventory management with backorder and datation under controllable carbon emissions. Before we start this topic, I will go to my next slide for green technology because I used green technology and preservation technology in that paper or study. Preservation technology, many researchers already taken, and if only preservation technology with inventory, the paper will not acceptable in a standard journal. Therefore, I thought when I was in Taiwan, I thought I have to introduce green technology so that some output so that some output will come. Therefore, I thought and introduced green technology in my research. And now I am doing that how to reduce the waste product. Also that waste management I am introducing also in inventory model. That is a different, that paper is now in under review. RCR, resource conservation recycling, that is different, but that this paper already published with involving with the preservation
Excuse me,
technology.
sir.
Yes,
Sorry to interrupt.
yes.
Can you do it in slideshow mode as
Okay,
audience is asking?
this one okay now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is okay now.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
it's
you.
nice.
Yes. What is green technology? It is a technology which is environmentally friendly, developed and used in such a way that it does not disturb our environment as well as natural resources. It is, we can say also, it is environmental technology. You can also say clean technology. Okay, this is in clean technology and green technology same word. Now, once again, I am saying you, what is green technology again? Green technology is a system that uses innovative method to create an environmental friendly product. There some pictures are available. It uses renewable natural resource that never depletes, so the future generation can also benefit from it. So another is, it is a effective change waste pattern and production in a way that won't harm the. Now goal of the green technology. What is the goal of green investment or green technology? That is fast reduce, recycling, refuge, renew, and responsibilities. Okay, this is the thing. This is the keyword you can find out in Google, and you can introduce. Suppose you are only putting the reduce subject or concept, you can introduce in your supply chain or inventory model. Recycling. Recycling also, you can use it. So refuse another. There are some discussion is that are there. I'll show you, but renew and responsibility also. Goals of a green technology. That is reduce item. Reduce, how you reduce? We can reduce fuels, waste, energy consumption, wastage of clean water. Then recycling. We can recycling our plastic cans, batteries, clothing, or paper, and many more. See the picture. We can use our waste product, waste item in this manner. So renewing another thing, wind, water power, solar energy, biofuel, water. Biofuel, their chemistry is keyword. Is a different. We can think about biofuel, but still I am not thinking about biofuel in my research. I am thinking only wind power and solar energy, and recently we did one paper related to waste water. Goal of green technology, that is under 4, refuse. We can refuse these things. refuse the use of plastic bag. If you refuse, then it's reduce the waste. If you reduce the waste, the businesser or the manufacturer should maybe will get more benefit in their business. And this is, footprint, green technology footprint. I have not seen in India, in Indian shop, but I have seen many places in Taiwan. Some footprint symbols are there in a market, like suppose you are going to buy some Pepsi, Coca-Cola. They are in shop, in front of the shop, written that symbol. So, okay. Goals of a green technology, that another way, responsibility. What's our responsibility? Don't waste electricity. Switch off electrical, everybody this one. Switch off electrical equipment when not required. Don't waste water. Don't waste fuel. Don't waste food. These are the responsibility. If we think about these points, obviously we'll reduce some waste product or items. Okay. Now I'm going to my topic. That paper already some published in Journal of Peanut Production with Professor Sarkar and my Taiwan PI. It's take more than 1 year, I think so. The highlights of this paper: sustainable economic order quantity, carbon tax and cap model have been considered with and without shortages. Here I am also considering shortages, maybe fully backorder, partial backlog, and also there are another is a no backlog, there is no backorder or no shortages. Another you everybody know in number 3 point, controllable deterioration. Most of research are already taken. I think that how to reduce the deterioration, that paper I think started 2007, something like that. 2009 paper, I think maybe. So we introduce here how to reduce the deterioration as well as carbon emission with adding some preservation technology investment cost and a green technology investment cost. We try to solve our model by analytic technique or theoretical technique. And our function is a profit function. So I introduce one sustainability supply chain. What is that? Improve efficiency, cut cost, means reduce the cost, and become more resilient by taking action on value chain and supply chain, carbon emission, and resource use. This is the reduction and carbon emission. Already I told you. So when we consider these two things, deterioration and carbon emission reduction, where I have applied. Reduction carbon emission is crucial in the development of a green supply chain, greenhouse power, regulate carbon emission, constant to achieve sustainable supply chain. Deterioration can control by preservation technology, investment cost of a greenhouse farm. I used here greenhouse farm. I will show you that picture also. Greenhouse farm, as they have a specific, I mentioned here summertime. Why? Because preservation investment mostly we can use in summertime. In greenhouse also, in greenhouse we reduce hydration. Maybe the product may be flower, maybe tree. Despite importance of these concern, a few researchers, many very less research paper, maybe one paper I got from sustainability, that Chinese author I saw, and that paper, and I introduced that notation assumptions in my paper. So now background. Okay, I consider the demand rate. Most of researchers are using constant or fixed, but I have used here price dependent demand, and also the demand also we also I also used non-linear price dependent demand, also linear price dependent demand. They are in slide, they are written why used. Selling based on a price dependent demand is considered in this paper. Why? Global warming has a negative effect on our surrounding. It affects increase sea level and the frequency of flood and storm. These issues by greenhouse gas such carbon dioxide, the global economic directly depends on greenhouse gases. In greenhouse farm, reducing emission is difficult as well as global warming by investing in green technology. Emission can be reduced by use of advanced technological equipment. Before this published paper, I already considered in another inventory problem. That problem is very simple one. And also I consider here, under carbon emission policy, a greenhouse farm sector is required to reconstruct its optimum decisions in inventory system, reduce the carbon emissions. Okay, why? Because if you invest both, then green technology and reducer technology, the greenhouse farm retailer get maximum profit. That is the thing. I will show you a picture also in the programming picture. I will show you that one. The motivation. Investing both preservation technology and green technology reduce the deterioration emission rate from greenhouse farm. Carbon emission in the warehouse can be kept at the lowest possible level by selling the plant quickly. There are more literature and the concept things already done. You can find out in my paper. So the research question. What is my research question? Before I complete my paper, I thought if I consider both things, what I will get in my last in my conclusion. What is the result? Expected result I will get in my paper. I thought, okay, obviously I will get the maximum profit. Remember, I am taking greenhouse farm, the application greenhouse farm, using both technology in greenhouse farm. This is my contribution. Partial backwarding I have taken. Linear price dependent demand. Many researchers are already taken linear price dependent demand, non-linear price dependent demand. That question you can find out why you use both, because I just took where the maximum profit I will get in linear price dependent demand or non-linear price dependent demand. I checked. Okay, And I choose both the preservation technology and green technology. Okay, implication means greenhouse flower are special types of item that are not available everywhere. The demand of a greenhouse flower depends on price. Therefore, the customer pay attention to minimum price while buying large volume of flowers, because that's why I'm using price dependent demand. Currently, greenhouse use inventory management system control the deterioration as well as emission to protect the flower, greenhouse flower. And we add here for backlogging issues, no backlogging issues. I checked also full backorder issues, partial backorder issues, and no backorder issues also. This is I went in Taiwan greenhouse farm. I got these types of I feel this type. I got these types of farm. See here for preservation technology to protect this in summertime especially, and there is written there air conditions. Okay, and also green technology also used to protect both, to protect the flowers and maybe flowers and tree. Yes, I'm using flowers. Okay, see there are also both a green investment and a preservation investment. So these are the many assumptions are there in price dependent demand, both linear and non-linear price dependent demand. But this is my main assumption or target assumptions, that is reduce the deterioration that function. Mathematically that function is correct or not, I have checked. Also preservation that emission investment that function already to the Liu et al. 2015. And I think that paper published in sustainability. Yes, sustainability, MDPI. This is I choose the modeling for partial backorder and modeling for completely backorder, modeling for no backorder. So this this system, this is here, sorry, this is your DP, this is your DP, okay, this picture, this model considered by Atala, Professor Atala, and also this model similar type of like just Professor I think Barun sir also, I saw this types of model already taken Barun sir and his team. So there is no more, but used only here price dependent, reservation and green investment also. So mathematical model and the solution procedures are there. Already I told you why I'm taking. The sustainable system under the carbon cap and a tax policy, the retailer is devoted to an initial carbon emissions and permitted to sell or buy right to emit in the cap. If the retailer carbon emission exceeds the carbon cap, they must acquire extra allowance of carbon on the concept carbon trading market. If the carbon emissions are lower than the carbon cap, the retailer may be able to sell their extra carbon allowance to other industry or businesses on the obliged carbon trading market. So this is a mathematical model and solution procedure. So this is selling price, that is purchasing cost, ordering cost, holding cost. Do you see that model one? You see, if you see that model picture, you can easily find out that problem. That individually I explained how to find out SR, CP, OC, SC, DC. Okay, this is deterioration cost. Okay, and BC, OBS. This is OBS, LS, PTI, GTI. PTI means preservation technology investment. GTI means green technology investment. Okay, and this is this cost function. This cost function you see is after reduction the carbon emission. This one is after reduction preservation technology. So this is the mathematical model and a solution procedure. So it's very tough to show you now how to get the uh, optimum solution for T, T, alpha, G. G means capital G. Capital G means green technology, P means preservation technology. Okay, green technology and preservation technology. So the mathematically problem solved by analytically or theoretical by using theorem and several lemma. C alpha, T, and there are some subsection is suppose beta equal to 1, then that previous action is reduce the full backward cost. Suppose beta equal to 0, then some same solution procedure. That time alpha equal to 1. Alpha is 0 less than alpha less than equal to 1. Alpha may be fraction but greater than 0. Okay, this is this model and same as some professors already taken, but you can find out these things in my paper. So then beta equal to 0 and alpha equal to 1, then we have no backward pass. See, this is the numerical example. Okay, to find the optimum solution, we here 4 numerical examples because 4 models are there. These demonstrate the applicability of the greenhouses, both PRT and GRT, product with without shortages issues as a case study. Okay, greenhouse use inventory management system to control the both deterioration. Already I told you deterioration and emission preserve the flower basically in summertime, which they sell at a marginal price to acquire maximum profit. Okay, but in real situation, the rate of demand related to the price encourage the customer to buy more item. Therefore, I choose demand rate is price dependent. Okay, greenhouse flowers needs less sunlight to live longer. Therefore, greenhouse worker can invest both preservation and preservation technology to lower temperature and protect against the emission and deterioration. Okay, this study already I told you in the applicable inventory model. Taiwan is greenhouse plant. I visited it 2-3 times. That greenhouse situated in nearby my school. It's okay, but I used the problem for problems for finding optimum solution by using Mathematica 9 for demonstrate or for solution of the problem. This is the numerical example with the partial order backordering case. Okay, first I have done for partial backordering case. Therefore, beta equal to 1, beta equal to 0. This is beta not equal to 1 or beta equal to not equal to 0. Beta is fraction. Okay, you can find out. Some algorithm is there for finding P and G and other solutions also. With full, I already beta equal to 1 and remaining parameters or in data are same as the example 1. The procedure outlined example 1 used for optimum solution SCQ with the full backward. In case the optimum solution are presented in table 2. See, these are the with loss cell, without backorder. Here, these tables I got. In the table, I got maximum profit in full backordering case. This is this table for linear price dependent demand. But non-linear case, I am not using non-linear price dependent demand for sensitive analysis because sometimes what happen, infeasible solution came sometime. That's why I am considering linear price dependent for analysis and for managerial point of view. Also, in linear price dependent, I got maximum values, maximum profit. Therefore, I thought, okay, I will consider for linear price dependent for maximum profit. This is graphical concavity. See, my dear, suppose P equal to 0, there is no preservation, no green investment. See the profit. Okay. If you used both together, see, here the point meet. Therefore, in greenhouse farm or greenhouse retailer should consider both things. And see, this is your optimum solution, maximum solution. Remember, my dear, I designed these things myself. Okay, by trial basis. I trial many times how to get this region plot. Okay, remember these are for linear price dependent. These pictures are for a linear price dependent. Linear price dependent. This is partial backlogging, full backordering, lot sizing, and no backordering. Okay, from all the figures, greenhouse investor or retailer should consider both policies, preservation technology policy or green technology policy. See, some discussion I told you why, when maximum profit and which case, in backlogging, which backlogging, partial or complete or lot sell, something like that. Already told you. Okay, you can find out for more detail theoretically.
Wait, sir, a second. Presentation.
Indumati Sridhar is presenting. Indumati Sridhar, please stop presenting.
Okay.
Yes, I'm audible.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Again, start.
it's okay now?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Start.
Okay, now sensitive analysis. I
Sir,
show
your
you,
presentation.
I will present you again.
No, sir.
There was no problem in presentation. Actually, we have to do pin to screen, but now I think it's gone. Yeah. Now it's presenting.
Now is presenting?
Okay. Yes, sir. Slideshow. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done.
See, so for sensitive analysis, I took maybe most of all parameters. First, I am showing you epsilon and eta are sensitivity parameter of a green investment function and preservation investment sensitivity parameter preservation parameters. I took both parameters and simultaneously I increase and decreasing order. So if we increase simultaneously both, then we have maximum profit, or it will increase the if we increase both, then profit will increases. So managerial insights, they are having many managerial insights points, but I took only one. If eta and epsilon increases, my selling price, cycle time, ordering quantity, and total annual profit will increase for SUP partial and full backordering model. For managerial perspective, the total profit increase due to lower emission and detention cost and the higher selling price of the item. Therefore, retailers should apply both investment for maximum profit in their business. These are the conclusions. Already I told you several times. Some future research work we can use detention. No, here instantaneous, you can use non-instantaneous. For better solution, you can use a particle swarm optimization or some another. You can use fuzzy logic to get the solution in easier manner. Okay, this already told you for conclusions. This is reference. The first reference published in this paper. That link, you can go and find out that paper. These are the notations. So my recent published paper. That paper I present you in front of you. This one already published. So this paper also related to emissions. We published in Energy, the top tier ranked journal, Elsevier journal. I think 5. The rank is 5 in renewable energy. But we study here hybrid power system with compressed air energy for optimum solution. Used here fuzzy logic. Here, this is cleaner production journal. Therefore, here you see the topic almost same, but we used here emissions minimization with multi-objective optimal operations. This is our joint collaboration. And also, I present you, this is your purchasing model. This is production inventory model. But here I only used carbon emission reduction. Okay. Another is here, on that paper, concept, both preservation and clean technology or green technology. That model, I think, no shortages case, but non-linear stock dependent and non-linear price dependent demand. I'm not exactly remember, but it's okay. Yes, joint collaboration. This is another paper. So this is related to emission with the electrical energy supply chain. I'm working also on this area, emission with the energy, electrical energy supply chain. This is my research collaboration. All of you know, Professor Barun sir helped him a lot, but I am now in present for him. I salute always. I am always happy with him. So my Professor Vishal sir also my collaborator. My third one is my PI, Taiwan PI, and the fourth one is Professor Sang. He's my best friend. I lost one opportunity. When I was Taiwan, he told me to come and join in our university. But I got VIT. I thought I'll come and I'll settle in India. But everything is different now. So this is another that lady, professor. He's very great, guys. Also associate editor in Cleaner Production. We worked with some papers. Now some papers are under review. And everybody, you know, Professor Shao. Shao is in our area. Okay, you can contact. He's very good guy. He's very good professor. You can call him. He can help. And last one is you see, his area is waste management, and other is waste management. Sorry, another is. Sorry, I am not getting that area. Consumptions and circular economy. Sorry, Mingla and Sengs are also working circular economy, and the last one professor also working circular economy. We are thinking about also use circular economy in our present papers. Thank you for inviting me once again. If you have any help, you can call me, you can contact me. I will answer you within a minute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Any query?
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good
Neha
evening.